like that, or was it switched around?
That's it.
Nice.
Except
Now,
that's not going to fit underneath.
fit past that now. Can you fold that down now? That's still too high.
Yeah.
Need a couple more inches. Can you pick up on this and I can try and scoot or twist this cart around so this would be at the back? No, you have to disconnect the trans. Come on. I guess now you just want to cart it around. Oh boy.
Way to go.
RKO the paint.
Just turn the trans.
Yeah. Get the board close enough so we can hook up that ECM harness, but cart was in the way, so we're just kind of fitting this around the back side, hoping we can scoot.
It needs to go that way.
Hoping we can scoot the board closer after that.
That's good.
Oh boy.
pin.
Yeah. Still need another.
Sure that was plugged in the right way? Doesn't look like it.
Hopefully.
That was not.
Let's
Hopefully
see.
it didn't RKO or anything.
That was weird because I had this one in wrong at first and it wouldn't go in at all. So how it was grooved. There we go. That one's still way too far off though.
I don't think this is gonna work.
Probably not.
I think we'll be fine.
Let's see, do we have anything we could just clip on there real quick?
Do we have any jumpers back here?
And we have one more wire that goes up, I think, to this little power distribution block. Just obviously it's a little too short the way it is now. See if we have something that we can jumper between there. Then hopefully that's the last thing we need to start it. We need that, and then
This also goes to power.
this one too.
Yeah, that goes to power as well. Not big enough.
Nope. Get the drill. These are a little small too. It's getting a little toasty.
So we got board all in here, all the wiring's hooked up. We went ahead and plugged everything back in. Before we cut the harness, we want to just verify that everything that we've done with the harness, putting it on the board, is still going to work the same way instead of it being all piled on the floor like it was originally. So we're just going to verify that everything starts up and it runs like it did before, and then we'll get to the part of lengthening the actual wiring harness for the engine over to there. That way we can get this pushed back up against the wall and out of the way of the dyno and the engine. All right, give it a shot. Say it's probably still got a problem with the MAF, but
Yeah.
cool. So it started up like it did originally, so at least we verified that everything is still working like it did. Now we can start tearing into the rest of the harness and get everything situated for that. I think we still have a problem. There's probably still a MAF sensor code in there that's causing it to not rev the full RPM range and making it sluggish as well. So once we get everything situated, we can start diagging the small stuff like that and make it run right.